Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to search for messages inside a WhatsApp community with the latest updated steps. Whether you're looking for an old conversation or a specific keyword, this quick guide will show you exactly how to find what you need in just a few taps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so all the new features are available. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap the Communities tab. This is where all your joined communities are organized in one place. Next, choose the community where you want to search for a message. After selecting it, you'll see a list of all the groups connected to that community. Tap on the specific group that contains a chat you want to search through. This will open up the group's full chat window. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots icon. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Search. This opens the search bar, allowing you to find exactly what you're looking for within that group's messages. Type a keyword, name, or phrase related to the message you want to find. After entering your search term, tap the search icon on your keyboard. WhatsApp will instantly highlight all the messages that match your keyword. You can move through each result by tapping the up or down arrows until you find the exact message you need. That's it. Searching for messages in a WhatsApp community is simple, fast, and makes it easy to revisit past conversations or important details without scrolling endlessly. Give it a try the next time you need to locate old messages, and it'll save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching.